living in the old Midstream, and I want to show you something unique, a hidden gem. And this is newly renovated. It's a VAT deal, so you don't have transfer duties, and it's direct from a developer after they've completed it, and it will be ready in the next week or two for occupation. So this is the old existing Midstream. I'm showing you a bit of the estate, that you can also see the quality and the lifestyle you're buying into. In front of us is a big park, play area, and yeah, I'll show you soon this property that will come in the market, and it's ready for occupation soon. This is one of the existing parks, play area. It's about 5 hectares with natural trees, instant lawn, play area, and this is on the doorstep to the school and the shopping center. Remember, we're still in winter, so guys will say, why is the lawn not green? Guys, it's still winter time, so soon you'll see they're busy with the irrigation. And on the back side, this jungle gym that you can see there for the kids to enjoy this beautiful play area. Today I'm in the old Midstream at a renovated house. They are busy. You'll see behind me there's still a lot of building rubble lying around. They're busy completing, and this is a hidden gem in the old Midstream. Some people talk about a Midstream proper, but this is located at the Windsor Gate, and it's in a cul-de-sac. This property covers under roof 450 square meters and a land size of just over 1,000 or close to 1,100 square meters. Beautifully located, close to the school, close to the shopping centers, and here you'll only pay bond and attorney fees. This is VAT included, so there's no transfer duties. It's 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and a powder room, open plan living areas, study room, staff accommodation, and like I say, everything is newly renovated. Something looking forward. If you're looking to find something in this established estate, this is the property you're looking for. Let me show you. And you might ask, what's the price on this? This price is going to be going in the market for just underneath 8 million. And like I said, it's a VAT deal. You got your double garage on this side, enough parking space, beautiful double door. Entering this property, on this side we've got a study at your front door. So sitting here in your home office, you can see if your guests stop on the outside. Before we go to the kitchen, I first want to show you the living areas. Just going up to the bedrooms. This door is coming straight from the garage. Behind you, you've got a staircase, like extra cupboard space here. And then also this extra living area on this side. The powder room. And remember what I mentioned, they're still busy. This is not the final product. This will be in the next 2-3 weeks. This will be completed. Extra lounge area here. Then your guest bedroom downstairs. This is very nice size. Beautiful flooring, enough cupboard space, an eastern window, a northern sliding door going out onto your private garden space. They're busy even installing or laying the lawn. So in a day or two, they're already busy with the lawn here. We've got an ensuite at this side, loose standing bath, toilet. It will be black framed showers, and then also a floating vanity with beautiful tops. This tops is straight through the house. They use this unique tops. Also tile to the top, and natural light coming in, and enough space. Beautiful long loose standing bath. Okay, let's look at the living and the kitchen area. Beautiful open space. So when you entering this site, there will be wooden cover slates on the back side or the front side of this kitchen area. So we'll show you in the next video or pictures when it's actively on the market, the final product. So this you can utilize as a small dining, and then sitting or TV room, and on that side there a beautiful open patio area. We'll go to that area now. You've got a gas fireplace here. You'll still see the people is busy cleaning up, preparing this property, getting it nicely done to do the final pictures. Then you have a gas stove, electrical oven, and enough working space. All natural light coming in. Your gas cage, everything is on the outside of this kitchen. Your back door, and then space for your double door fridge. And oh, before we miss this, your prep bowl, also part of the kitchen, and beautiful quality taps straight through the property, and tiled. This unique tile also is complementing up to the roof. Your separate scullery, space for all your appliances. Behind me is space for your double door fridge, and then 1, 2, 3 appliances. Also the special zinc, and again your quality basin and taps. All newly installed lights. So one important thing people ask me is, why is this property costing a bit more than the other houses in Old Midstream? The old Midstream houses, they started building in 2003. So a lot of the properties, as they're calling it, is a bit older. So your finishes don't look the same. You'll find this finishes in the new established area like Midstream Heights, Ridge, Meadows, where they're building the newer properties. This is the type and quality that you'll find in that areas. But a lot of people want to be close to the school, close to this shopping center, and then they want to buy in this established area with all the mature trees around them. So that's why the price is definitely a bit more, and you will not find in this area any properties that's VAT included directly from a developer. So this is a developer that purchased the house and prepare it, take all the older finishes out and revamp it to make it new for you. Let's look on this patio area. You also notice the frames, all the frames is newly done with the aluminium frames, aluminium sliding doors. On this, the complete product will be this nice heat black bricks that will be cladded inside. So there's a nice big built-in braai, and then your prep area on that side with lots of natural light. There's folding stacking doors on this side and folding stacking doors. So standing in this entertainment area overlooking this beautiful garden, we're going out, show you a bit on the outside as well. Remember, it's still winter, we're entering spring, so very soon you'll see the the trees start getting their leaves, and then this is a beautiful open big space here. The size of the pool is bigger than normal. When you go to the new developments, you'll see the pools is normally half of this size. And then on this side we do have a boma entertainment area, and like I mentioned, very private, all the houses living out to that side, nobody looking down on you. So this is very private and beautifully positioned. So this garden also goes around to that bedroom number 4 that's downstairs. And like I mentioned, they're busy prepping the soil here for the lawn, and you'll notice that what they do here is they don't just put the lawn on top of the cement and where they work. So they prep the lawn and the land specifically to start doing all this nice lawn so that it can instantly start growing. Then also they're busy with paving on this side, paving around to that side. So soon this property will be ready for you to occupy. Let's look upstairs. Something to take note again, north is on that side, east is on this side, so you all got natural flow of sunlight coming into the property. Bedroom 4, that side, the extra living area, the storage, powder room on that side, entrance from the garage, your study, and then this is your main entrance. So you can go to that side or to this side. Let's see upstairs. Look at the idea here to find all the natural sunlight, even at your staircase. On this side you'll find we've got a bathroom, soft closers, bath, loose standing vanity, floating vanity, and then also again they will install this nice shower traps here, and it is this framed glass with the black frames that they install for the showers. So this bathroom is for that bedroom on that side, and we've got another bedroom around the corner that I'll show you now. Look on the size of this bedrooms. It's definitely bigger, like all the older houses have all the bigger bedrooms, and that is what's the benefit of buying an old house that's renovated. So you've got a lot of size, bedrooms are bigger, living areas are bigger, and you've got all the mature gardens. Coming here to the second bedroom upstairs. So remember, this one used the bathroom on that side. Also cupboards to the top, higher ceilings, all new installed lights, and a well laid out bedroom number 2. Enough plug points, natural light coming in. Just focusing on this, you already got 3 sets of plugs in this bedroom with aluminium frames newly installed. Look at this beautiful sunlight coming in from the northern side. And this is your main ensuite. Your cupboard starting on this side. Your cupboards on this side. You'll also notice there's still of the handles that's missing, and remember, they're busy completing this final product. Look on the size of this main bedroom, enough space to put your bed here, and natural sunlight coming in with your own small balcony. And if you want to utilize that area in front, you can, but you already got a balcony on this side. So here, big double shower. Again, the black framed glass, loose standing bath with an hand shower, tile to the top, your separate toilet here, and then double his and hers vanity, and enough drawer space. So let's stand a bit outside to see the yard space from the top. Looking here and at this beautiful laid out garden that is ready for occupation in the next, say, 2-3 weeks. It's ready for occupation. Let's summarize this property. We do have 4 bedrooms with 3.5 bathrooms, open plan living area, beautiful, finished, newly renovated. We do have a double garage, staff accommodation, under roof covers 450 square meter under roof. The land is 1,100 and it's going in the market for just underneath 8 million, VAT included. If you like it, follow and subscribe for new properties. Look out for the complete product and make sure to call me to view this property.